Google Classroom makes it easy for you to email your students, whether it's the message to the entire class or to one person in particular. To get started, you want to navigate to People tab. There are many ways to do that here, depending on who you want to contact and how. For instance, here, to contact an individual student, you can just click on these three dots here. Then you're going to see Email Student, so you can email that student. If you want to contact multiple students, check the boxes next to their names, like this. Then open the Actions menu and choose Email. To contact all your students at once, just check the box at the top and they will all be selected automatically. So then you can go to Actions again and choose Email. Instead of sending emails to your students, you can also post class announcements to the Stream tab. These are simply the posts that students will see when they sign in the class. The Stream can be helpful for posting reminders, upcoming events, or just anything that's helpful to your students and the entire class as a whole. Now, to post an announcement, you have to be on the Stream tab and then click on this field that says Announce something to your class. From here, you can type anything you want. And to this, you can also attach files from Google Drive, also attach YouTube videos if you want. You can upload files from your computer. You can also add a link to an online content. When you're done, you're going to see the post button. If you want, you can also schedule this to be posted at a later date, but in our case, we'll just post this instantly. So it's going to be posted on this Stream tab. All the students in this class now, when they come in, they will see this announcement. This is how you can communicate with your students quickly and easily, all in a Google Classroom without having to switch to another software. And just like that, this is everything you need to know about the Google Classroom. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.